Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to go on about changing the spark plugs in the BMW. So as we can see, there's a cover that was horrendously annoying to take off. There was a couple of bolts and a nut you had to sort of, and then unscrew the filler cap to get the cover off. Once we got under the cover, it was all right, to be fair. As you can see, there's a piss poor photo, if I'm honest with you. This is how old and janky the spark plugs looked. I think they were about 20 years old, to be fair. I don't think they'd have been changed. They did look real janky, if I'm honest with you. You see how fiddly it was. It'd been an inline 6. I had to remove where the pollen filter is. I had to remove that to try and gain access to the last two. But to be fair, it did look pretty clean in there when I was looking through. As you can see, they were last back two were proper fiddly. It was a bit of pain, and there you go. As again, the spark plugs were just old and tired. It was a bit. As you see, we got them all out and then changed over. As you can see, we're reconnecting all the old coil packs and the leads going to the coil packs and just popping them back in, and yeah, we did this all back together and all fine and dandy. It was pretty quick, pretty painless, apart from the last two cylinders were a bit fiddly, but it's an inline 6 BMW. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and remember, if Cabbage can, you can too. And obviously, as we know, I'm going to try and round up some of the extra minutes in the video. So the last couple of minutes will just be me getting the watch hours up. And remember, if this video does well, or any other videos do well, hopefully we can get a Project XJS for the channel. Thanks for watching.
相遇，满心都是期待，人海们的奇遇，太多听见，花心多情傻笑与无奈。每次情深背负花心之名，全心投入却被误解辜负。你真知我心，为何伤我太深？言语如蜜，甜而不腻，字字真挚。经历铺垫，愿静心倾听，感受我爱恋。每次恋爱，短暂如风，谁愿承受被爱无奈？痴心一片，谁明我心？花心之名，非我所愿。各位红颜，请听我言，爱你在心，口难绵言。只愿清晰。真诚以待，共度恋曲，表我真情。可否给个机会，证明我的真心？真心所爱，无言，情深缱绻难自禁。只愿真诚相待，不以我情深眷念，携手共度风雨，年日之心永不懈怠。每次恋爱，短暂如风，谁愿承受被爱无奈？痴心一片，谁明我心？花心之名。